Hi guys, this topic is how to trade forex for beginners. 3 stages to learn how to trade forex. Let's go started. This forex trading for beginners can be difficult in general. This is due to unrealistic but common expectations among newcomers to this market. Whether we are talking about forex trading for beginners or stock trading or beginners, many of the basic principles overlap. In this article, we are going to focus on forex trading. However, some of the same strategies items general concept also apply for stock trading. By the end of it, you will know all the most essential terms used in forex trading, so you won't be confused at any point while you learn to trade. You will learn all the basics, including which platform to use, how to execute a trade, and 10 forex trading tips for beginners who want to earn, discuss new strategies and more. First of all, the forex trading for beginner and introductions. The next questions that comes to everyone mind is how to learn forex scratch. Can I teach myself to trading forex? Don't worry, this forex trading for beginner guideline is our definitely manual for all experts. First of all, the trading the terminology. Forex trading notes for beginners. Have where your forex trading notes for beginners can begin. I am going to start this trading for beginners guide in this UK by presenting some of the most common terms you will come across in trading that you will need to. First is a sport forex. This term of forex trading involves buying and selling the real currency. For example, you can buy a certain amount of pound sterling and exchange it for euros, and then once the value of the pound increasing, you can exchange your euro for pound again. You receive more money compared that what is original spent on the purchase. Second is CFDs. The term CFDs stand for the contract for beam difference. It is a contract used to represent the movement in the price of financial instructions. In forex terms, this means that instead of buying and selling a large amount of currency. Thank you for watching.